Hey, here's my Ryobi 18V caulk gun. This has been a great tool for me. It's pretty dirty, so you can see I've been using it a lot. This works with any Ryobi 18V battery, so nice and convenient. It's got adjustable speed settings depending on how much caulk you want to apply. I really do love that feature because when you're using a manual gun, the caulk doesn't distribute evenly sometimes. And this is also a lot less messy than the manual caulk gun because when you release the trigger, the caulk stops. It doesn't drip out anymore. When you pull the trigger, pushes in the back piston here. When you're ready to load it up, just crank it back. Your caulk will slide right in. You're ready to go. And now I'll demonstrate it. Just using a piece of cardboard, but it comes out nice and evenly. And then when you're done, this doesn't drip out anymore. It stops it.